Okay, this is our Airbnb. I'm gonna get y'all a little house tour. You know you so flawed. I was supposed to knock on the door and you was supposed to open it.
You knocked on the door.
Oh God. So this is our living area, little dining room, living room. Jonathan. Anyway. It's the kitchen. You could have straightened up the Boston was lemon. You knew what we were finna do. It's a nice kitchen. Oh, just so y'all know, I don't know anybody who watched HGTV. This house was on one of the episodes of HGTV. It was a fixer-up house that they fixed up. Basement first or upstairs?
You go to the basement. You go this way.
Okay.
That's tight.
Okay, so we're gonna go down in the basement first, y'all.
You got your backyard.
We ain't going out there.
You got your staircase.
You need to quit.
You got your basement living room.
You cut the lights on, they on? We'll go over here first. Okay, so this is the bar. I ain't gonna even lie. This part of the house is what just sold me. This over here. They got it fixed like a real live bar. Y'all see? And they got a little staircase. Now, this staircase right here lead up to the living room. Y'all probably seen it. I'm gonna go that way. And this the bar. Y'all see Mr. Joe Lewis over there. Lumber already been down here. I love how they kept this wall here. This whole little area in here, it looked like you in a real bar.
You got Detroit Lions, Detroit Tigers, and Detroit Red.
Little sitting area down here. Miss Aretha Franklin. The beautiful Aretha Franklin. Oh, goodness.
You got your setup down here.
Another sitting area.
Freak room.
Stop it.
That's what it is.
This is a kid-friendly channel. But anyway, y'all, if I had a house with a basement, I would want my basement to be finished like this.
When I had it,
I don't like unfinished basements. I love this. And these just some closets over here. Now what? Now in all of these homes, pretty much.
Look, this all the damn shit. You want the damn thing.
In all these homes, just about every basement got a bathroom, and I think that when they redid this house, the bathroom was in this area, and instead of them keeping it a bathroom, they turned it into a bar area, which I like. I would think I would have did that too. Now I could go up those stairs.
Let me go up there so you can see me go up there.
You too big to be trying to go up that little staircase.
You talking about I'm too big to go up there?
Y'all, let's watch him, because we might could get some good shit if he fuck around and hurt himself. Oh, well, I ain't going up there. I'm going the other way, because thick legends can't sit up there. We're going to go back the other way. Okay, now we finna go. Now, that was the basement I just showed y'all. We're going to go up to the bedrooms. Yeah. This is a little office space. Yeah, you going to go up there. Jonathan, open the door. Oh. Now this is Jonathan's room. Like I say, we've been here already for some days, and he got stuff scattered. Yeah. His bathroom. Now these stairs, they look like the ones in the living room, but they go up to the bedroom in the attic. Lummy gonna go up there for y'all. This me and Lummy sleeping quarters here.
Hey, you see you can make the lights dim down?
Yeah, now cut them back on. You see me filming. That's just a closet over there. Our bathroom. beautiful. I love it. It's a shower tub. Now this is a real shower tub combo. Cause you can take a shower or you can get over there in the soak tub. Dun, 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 dun. You gonna take them up there?
Yeah.
Or do I need to go?
You wanna go up there?
You go.
Alright, we going up here to the attic. They got the room fixed up in the attic too.
So it's really a 3-2.
Got 2 beds up here, air condition, old carpet, cathedral ceiling. Tied up. You can buy you a shitload of air mattresses up here. Man, this house can hold about 20 people.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
You really can hold about 20 people. Put a bed right here, bed right here. Y'all heard them from get down off these stairs.
He's too big. I told him he's too big to be up there. And people can sit down in the back.
So yeah, this is how I look up here in the attic, y'all. This is the attic. Air condition just came on. 2 beds. 2 full-size beds. Alright, going back down. Ow!